Morning, Forrest.
Hello.
Where are we headed to?
The doctor's office.
Alright.
I think this is the one.
How long will this visit be, you think?
Oh, an hour, I suppose.
Oh, okay.
I can't remember.
Hearing is... There's nothing about eyes on this one.
Date 9.
Date's an eye, there it is. Just the 3rd floor though. Are you going to the 3rd floor?
I don't know. Second floor is what I remember.
Morning.
Which doctor are you seeing today?
Eye doctor, Hassan.
Yes. It says 3rd floor, I guess.
Oh yeah, there it is. Farid Hassan. Should check my temperature. It was 96.5 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm good to go. Have to do some weeding here, so there's no more weeds that grow along the fence. Now I'm gonna make a smoothie with organic berries here. Got them from Costco along with some bananas. I'll probably put in 5 of them. And then I filled up the blender with water along with some limes. And that should fill up my jar for my trip. Headed to the store. I'm on this bike. It's a pretty nice bike, actually. It works really well. I just arrived to Kroger's Marketplace. I need to buy some bananas because I need to make a smoothie before I leave tomorrow morning. I just have to find the bike rack now for parking this bike. Here's my parking spot. Wow, Kroger sells clothes too. It's like a Fred Meyer's because Kroger's bought Fred Meyer's. This store's so fancy that now they have this digitalized. Even the signs are digitalized. It's pretty impressive. The new cashew cheese. It's made from cashews. It has a scallion onion taste to it. And all it has is cashews, water, onion powder, sea salt, dried scallions, lemon juice, and of course the culture. That's interesting cheese. I'm gonna get some bananas now. This area has a lot of produce. You can have a huge section of organic also in this area, and then you can get everything you really need here. They basically have all the greens that you need and all the veggies too. The store is pretty big. It has all kinds of food that you need and non-food goods too. The bulk section is temporarily closed over here. I picked up 2 bunches of bananas, 2 limes, and of course some green leaf lettuce so I can make a salad. It's about a 15-minute ride from the Kroger. I've never seen a Circle M mini mart, so I'm gonna check this one out.